You are going to love the 2020 Lincoln Nautilus. The Lincoln Nautilus crossover provides you with all the functionality you need in a vehicle. Plenty of space, lots of safety and technology options, and a high-end interior feel makes this the perfect vehicle. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, electronic parking brake, electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.